Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Suburban Sil. So for today's video, I kind of have a twofer. I've got a fun air plant unboxing along with a little simple air plant project. So I just received my mystery box from Rooted that I ordered. So I wanted to do something with air plants, and I thought, well, this will be fun to do a mystery box. Then I won't know what I'm getting. I don't know, it was kind of fun just to have a little surprise. So let's see what is inside. Ooh, I was hoping there would be some color, and sure enough, there is a lovely, I don't know, some info from the company. Oh my gosh. Okay. Look at these air plants. A little one. I love the red. What a great variety. And here, honestly, I didn't really know what to expect. Whoopsie-doo. Dropped that one. That one's getting ready to flower. Wow, look at this beautiful centerpiece, if you will, in our air plant project. Gorgeous. And this one is flowering, or in the process of flowering. It's got some roots going on there. All right, so that was a fun little boxing, wasn't it? I don't really know what to expect. Now these look, I'm trying to tell what's going on here. I mean, the colors are obviously too good to be true. Are they like painted or something? Anyway, very fun, very pretty. And so we're gonna set these up in a little air plant terrarium. And I will show you how to do that next. All right, I'm back and I have my supplies for my air plant terrarium. Okay, so I also, in the meantime, did a little research because I was looking at some of these and I was like, oh my gosh, these are so beautiful. Like, it looks painted. Doesn't it? It's amazing. So this one is, get ready for me to butcher some names. Tillandsia brachycalus abdita red. Huh. And this one is Tillandsia capitata peach, which makes sense because of its peachy color, but it almost looks like it's spray painted. I don't know. That's really cool. And these two are of the same. I'm not quite sure what they're called. I think these are pretty common. If you know what they're called, go ahead and comment below. And I couldn't really find this one. So also, help me out. If you know what this one is called, please let me know, because I'm very curious. And I'm going to keep researching and see if I can find it myself. So as you know, air plants don't root into soil or anything. So you soak them in water every week for a few minutes, let them dry completely, and then you can put them in your terrarium or put them in wherever your holder is. For this terrarium, I had this cookie jar and it like no longer can do cookies because the lid's busted. So I was like, perfect, this will be perfect. I went out into my yard and I gathered up some nature materials. I had these like fun black stones in my landscaping, and this piece of coral I've had on my bookshelf for years, and I was like, oh my gosh, this would be perfect for air plants. Perfect. So I'm not quite sure how I'm going to set this up. I have some ideas, but let's just get creative. So I shopped around town to find my cheapest rocks that I could find, and I found some for like $5 at Lowe's. I thought they were pretty good. They had some other colors. You could do sand, white sand, black sand, whatever floats your boat. And I'm going to start with my coral piece because I feel like that's kind of like an important piece, and I like this little indentation that we have here. So I feel like, I don't know, I think an air plant might sit on there really nice. I don't know how it's going to go. Let's see. Now, I don't know if I'm going to have room for all of these air plants, but I'm gonna do my best. All right, maybe we'll put some black around there just for contrast. You know, I might add some more of those, I don't know. And then I found this kind of cool stick. I thought maybe an air plant could like rest in there. It was kind of long, so I just broke it. Let's see. Maybe this flowering one might go well in there. Just kind of nestled. I think it's okay if stuff pokes out the top. Obviously, you can't have too much humidity in there, so you're gonna have to leave it open. You're gonna wanna do like an open terrarium for your air plants. Well, that looks cute. And I love this purple. So I'm gonna see if I can't squeeze it in. It might be too much, we'll see. The purple might have its own little space. I had another little dish. I just don't know if there's gonna be room. Let's see, this one back in there. And then maybe I could lay this one down along the bottom. There. That's kind of cute. I almost totally forgot. I bought this really cute green moss and I had it sitting out and then totally forgot to use it. I think it will add a nice little pop of color to my terrarium. Let's see. Just a nice little green, these little green moss balls. Pretty cute. Kind of tuck one back in there. Let's see. I have to mess around with that a little bit, but the green adds some fun color and some different texture into your terrarium. So thanks for checking out this video on how to make an air plant terrarium. Simple air plant care tips. You're gonna wanna soak your air plants once a week for about 5 minutes. Set them to dry, make sure they're totally dry before you put them back in your terrarium because you don't want any moisture being trapped. Now, obviously this terrarium will remain open for that very reason. Air plants do like a little bit of moisture. That's how they get their water. So I'm hoping this lip will keep a little bit of moisture in, but for the most part, it will remain open. So thanks for checking out this video. You can find more fun plant projects at suburbansil.com or follow me on Instagram at suburbansil. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.